With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here the question is, the objective lens of a compound microscope produces magnification of 10. In order to get an overall magnification of 100, when image is formed at 25 cm from the eye, the focal length of the eye lens should be what? Now here students, it is given that for the compound microscope, the magnification of objective lens, that is MO, is given as 10, and the overall magnification of the compound microscope is M equals to 100. Now we know students, for a compound microscope, when image is formed at 25 cm, that is least distance of distant vision, the magnification M is equals to magnification of objective MO multiplied by 1 plus least distance of distant vision divided by focal length of the eye lens. That implies students, magnification given as 100, which is equals to 10 multiplied by 1 plus 25 centimeter whole divided by focal length of eye lens. That implies students, 100 divided by 10 minus 1 would be equals to 25 centimeter whole divided by focal length of eye lens. This is equals to 9 is equals to 25 centimeter divided by focal length of eye lens. That implies focal length of eye lens is equals to 25 centimeter divided by 9. That is 25 divided by 9 is 2.77 centimeter, and this matches with, or we can say 25 divided by 9 centimeter, and this matches with option 3. So option 3 is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.